Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to give you a little point of view driving on the way to work with the daily Type R. I use it as my daily. I have other cars, but I like using this one because it's really fun to drive. Plus I get to go on little mountain drives as well. So I just want to show you a little pull on the freeway. When we get on the freeway, it picks up very well. And I just wanted to update you guys about yesterday's video. I just want to correct myself. It was actually 20 mil spacers, not 30 mil. My correction, my bad. But yes, if you guys put 20 mil spacers, your platform on your Type R will be a lot more stance, and turning on corners and everything, it feels a lot more platformed, if that makes sense. But yes, here we go. Hold on. It's kind of hard to drive with one hand. Hope you guys love the content. If you guys do, let me know what I can improve more. Let me know I can add more to the channel, but more mods will be coming up for sure. As of right now, we're just towing my car, and we're gonna go traveling to different places with the car. Make sure it's a nice little vlog for you guys, you know? Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know whatever I could do to help you guys with any car problems or any car questions about the Type R. I know a little bit about Hondas, you know? So I will help you guys as much as I can. Quick note, guys. Who lives out here in Cali is scared as hell to drive a modified car. Shit, I am. Not gonna lie, when a cop pulls behind me, you gotta do granny shifting and just start going very slow so they don't hear, hopefully they don't hear your exhaust and get pulled over. But I did tint the windshield on my car too, so that is problem in California, and also no front plate, so even worse. So, and it doesn't help that my car is bright blue. But yes, most definitely, who has the same problem I do out here? Comment down below, let me know. So you can hear a little clip of how it sounds just regular driving. You hear little pops and bangs here, little verbal, you know. I do need to get a tune next, that is next on the list. I don't know if you guys can hear the intake sound, but that PRL does it justice for sure. Keep in mind, guys, that stock exhaust does not sound bad. I recommend it highly for people that do not want to do an exhaust swap. Just do a resonant delete and you're good to go. Just talking about the cops, there was a bike cop right there. Luckily he didn't hear my pull. That was a close one. People that definitely do not know how to drive out here though. Alrighty guys, just wanted to show you one last look of everything. Yesterday was my first video, so it was a little bit nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. Trying to get used to this. I just want to go through the spacers that I have right here. These are not bad spacers, they're from Amazon, 20 mils, not 30 mils, just correction. And I had this blacked out as well. Just bought a little tint of film on like Amazon or something like that, 15 bucks for a roll. Got the window visors, and my tint is pretty light. I did 35 all around and 42 in the windshield. The spacers are the same all the way around, 20 mils all the way around here to here. So the fitment's actually really good, on point. That is what I am about, fitment. I don't like covering. It looks good like this, doesn't rub. I had a full car, it did not rub at all. It tucked a little bit, but did not rub. Sorry, the car is kind of dirty. But also I did a Prl wiper delete as well. The wing is coming up next. And also, I don't know if you guys noticed, I actually blacked out the tail lights right here, from here to here. So it gives it a little more aggressive look towards it. But yeah, with the visors, the tint, and everything else I added so far, just minor things, made a big difference in the car. Hope you guys love it. Let me know down in the comments below, see if I can, like I said, add more mods that you guys want to see, or anything else I can do to the car to make it more, you know, faster or it looks better. But if you guys have any questions about the mods I do have, just please let me know. Comment down below, I will answer you guys. Alrighty guys, I'm out. Thank you again. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out guys. Have a good day.